This is not your average Dollar Tree video. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today we're in Dollar Tree and I'm sharing with you unexpected finds you would have never thought you could do. I want your jaw on the floor. And we're gonna start off in the kitchen section. The first are these burner cover sets. Yes, they're pretty ugly, but hear me out. I want you to buy 2 packs of these, and then I want you to run to the craft section. There are mini bags of perfectly round pearls. You're gonna buy 2 of these, put the pearls inside, and you've got an instant turntable. I've done this a lot of times with the cake pans, but this is a great way to get an oversized one. You get a big one and a small one for just $4. Well, actually, now that it's $1.25, $5, but still, that's a great deal. Also, they have napkin holders. I've showed tons of DIYs with these, but did you know you could combine a few together on a wall to create a shelf? This is really great to display some of those lighter weight items. You could even display some books. Very inexpensive and looks amazing. I don't know why this is in the kitchen section, but it is. These clear containers are awesome for any spot of your house and definitely mimics the home edit version of organization, but done on a dime. Also, these wire grates are amazing and they're bendable. I use these for so many different iterations of organization, especially in my craft room. You can bend them up, you can use them to hang things on. I absolutely love them. So if you struggle to be able to see your items and if it's out of sight, out of mind, this is a great option and it's only $1.25. They also have these same containers in gray, but they still have that opaque quality. I really like these. I'll clean it up. These stack and lock lids are also really great. And again, they're clear so you can see exactly what's inside. I use these all over my house. Brand new product alert. If you are trying to redo a pantry on a very tiny budget, I'm talking you want to spend under $30. This is a great way to be able to decant some of your items like flours and sugars, and it looks really nice and uniform. Check it out. You know me, I like to move fast. The next part is in the floor care essentials aisle. This brand new holder. If you've been on YouTube at all, you've seen me talking about these. These are amazing for your brooms and your mops, and the adhesive is awesome, even if you don't use the screw-in section. This is a fantastic buy. Save yourself $10. This is a brand new product and perfect for snacks. Check out these little snap close dividers. You've got a perfect spot for your carrots and your dip or whatever vegetables or maybe something not so healthy you want to eat. I also really like these lunch storage towers, and what you may not know, they come with a dip container on the inside. The options with these are endless, especially because my kids love snacks. Let's talk about taking small Dollar Tree items and putting them together in mass for something really beautiful. Okay, so check this out. This is the Emblem Square metal wall mirror. This is 5-star rated, it's on Wayfair. Look at all these little mini mirrors. You can create something similar coming to Dollar Tree. Grab these little candle holders. I really like the round ones, and you can put something together very, very similar using skewers. I love these little mini baskets just as is. They're very high quality. You also can turn these over, cut a little hole in the top, and if you don't have a lighting fixture, this gives you a really great rustic farmhouse lamp using one of the Dollar Tree LED bulbs. I love how it looks. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Now is the time of year to check out the garden section, and there are 3 things I want you to look for. The first are these little garden fences. You can use them as is, or you can cut these down. You can just use an X-Acto knife or scissors to create really cool art for your wall. It looks like it's wrought iron, but it's just made of plastic. I also really love these, and these sell out really fast. We got them last year to plant some strawberries. You really can only stock up 2 or 3 before it starts to topple over and the plants don't get the adequate light that they need, but this is a really great product. Also, a brand new product this year are these bell cloches. We need these because we have bunnies attacking our garden. You could do lots of fun DIYs with these or use these in a traditional way outside. Do you want a clean car and to save $10? Come here. They have this brand new product. This is an Armor All disinfectant 3-in-1 cleaner. It is awesome. And check this out. They have these really cute little trash cans with a spring lid. It sticks right in your cup holder in the car. Will you remember to empty this? That's the real question, but it's really cute. I think we should get this. Let's try that. I love beauty products, but they can get really expensive. Most of these items I'm going to be skipping. Even though they are name brands, you can save way more when shopping at Walmart, except for one item. They have these under eye little masks. These are awesome. I use them all the time. They're $6 to $8 at CVS, just $1 here, and some of them come with a bonus lip cover. I love these. Also, keep your eyes peeled for the Say Yes to Tomatoes and Say Yes to Carrots brand. These are several dollars at CVS. I think sometimes $4 to $6, and here they are only $1. These mud masks I really like. Also, a brand new product are these spray bottles. Now, these are in the hair care section, but you could very easily use these for your cleaners. If you take LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner, which literally is the all-purpose cleaner from Dollar Tree, you're supposed to dilute that, and there is a grating on the back so you know how to dilute it. Then you can put it into these spray bottles for all of your cleaning jobs so you have them at the ready. This little saying is actually true. You kind of have to. They have not had the LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Cleaner. This is basically the OxyClean dupe back in forever. They finally have it back, and this stuff works awesome. I think I'm out of time. You've got stuff to do, and so do I. Leave this video a thumbs up if you want me to show some more spring and Easter DIYs. I would love to make another video just like this. My sweet friend, I am so glad you made it here today. If nobody has told you, you are enough. I cannot wait to catch you guys in the next video. Come give me a hug, and I'll see you then. Bye. Oh, he's so cute. I kind of like him, actually. Charlie won't like that, though.